Hey y'all, Irix guy here, and go to purify some water. Now, actually what you could do, if you used a purifier such as this one, and you can expand this video's description and find a link to it there, but if you use this, you could probably be safe drinking the water. But out of best practice, what I do from a very clean stream, I purify it with this, but I put it in this pot, and then once it's in the pot, I boil it, and I use that to go with my to prepare my dehydrated meals. So it's filtered and then it's boiled. And check this out, look how this works here. All you do is put this part in the water. You just pump. Now it's coming out into my pot. And what I may do is put this under a rock so that it stays submerged, but it's not too heavy to obstruct the flow. So you see here I'm getting purified water in my pot that I can boil and cook with. And it takes patience, like anything else, but see, you don't have all that sediment in there. Because if you just get water out of a stream and boil it, boiling's probably going to kill everything that's harmful. But you're going to have that sediment, and that's the advantage to running it through a filter such as this one first, is that you're getting crystal clear water, and you know, it makes a difference. So thanks for watching. Again, if you haven't subscribed, be sure to do so. It's youtube.com/Irix guy, and check out all of my backpacking videos there. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Irix guy here. Thanks again for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. If you're looking for Irix Guy's Adventure Channel merch, like this t-shirt and a lot of other cool stuff, expand this video's description. You can find it all there. Y'all have a good day.